Hi, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll be doing an in-depth tutorial on how to create coloring books that actually sew, using powerful AI tools to speed up the process. We're going to walk through 3 important steps. Step 1 is niche research. We'll be using Amazon to figure out what kinds of books people are actually buying. Step 2 is all about using ChatGPT and another secret AI to generate the content and artwork for your coloring book. This secret AI gives 30 free credits daily, which you can use to generate your drawings using simple prompts. Stick to the end to find out what it is. And finally, in step 3, we'll use Canva to design and format your book so it's ready to publish. So, let's dive into the video. We'll be using the Amazon KDP platform because it gives us real-time data about what's selling. So go to Amazon.com and make sure you log out of all accounts. Or just open the website in an incognito window. In the search bar, type in adult coloring book. Right away, you'll notice that there are over 60,000 results. That's super competitive. So we want to narrow this down. Just add a space after book. After Amazon itself gives us a suggestion, select Adult Coloring Book for Women. And now it's showing 30,000 results. We can still narrow this down. Follow the same steps. This time, I'm going with flowers. You'll see 7,000 results. Still too competitive. So now, I'm going with Animals in Flower, Adult Coloring Book for Women. And see, we've narrowed down the competition from 60,000 to just 472. You can use this trick to specifically target your buyers. Now, let's look at some bestsellers in this niche. Scroll down a little and search for a book with high reviews on it. This one has got about 3,000 reviews. So for this video, I'm going to make this type of book. So the first thing you want to do before you start creating a coloring book is decide what your book's dimensions are going to be. For example, my idea is to make an adult coloring book. The dimensions I'm going with are 8.5 by 8.5 inches, so it's going to be a square, and I'll have 66 pages in total. Why 66 pages? Because I'm using 33 coloring illustrations and leaving a blank page behind each one. That way, when someone colors it with markers or pens, it won't bleed into the next image. The binding will be paperback, and the interior color will be black and white. Now head over to Canva and click on Create a Design at the top left. At the bottom, you'll click on Custom Size. By default, it'll be in pixels. You don't want pixels. You want to change that to inches. Now, you might be thinking, let's just put in 8.5 by 8.5. But nope, it's not that simple. And here's why. There's this thing called bleed. To get the right size, go to Amazon KDP's website and look under Book Formatting. Format your paperback. Scroll down until you see Set Trim Size, Bleed, and Margins. There you'll find a chart with exact bleed measurements. For 8.5 by 8.5 inch books, the actual file size with bleed should be 8.625 inches wide by 8.75 inches tall. So now, go back to Canva and put in those exact dimensions. 8.625 width and 8.75 height, both in inches. Then just hit Create New Design and boom, you're inside your book canvas. Next step is to set your margins, which is super important for printing. Go back to that same KDP page and scroll to find the margin sizes. Since we're doing 66 pages, the margins will be 0.375 inches on all sides. In Canva, turn on your rulers by hitting Shift/R if they're not already showing. Then just drag out guides from the ruler and place them at 0.375 inches from the left and top sides. Even if these lines don't come exactly at 0.375 from the edge, just stay as close as you can to 0.375 inches. Now, for the right and bottom margins, we'll do a little trick. Click on Elements, search for Square, and place it at the top left corner. Make sure it aligns with both guides. Duplicate that square and drag it to the right and bottom edges. That gives you perfect margin alignment. Now, delete the square. We don't need it anymore. So, the margins are set. Now I'll duplicate this page until I have 66 pages total. Let me save you the time and cut to when it's done. All right, so now I have 66 pages ready. It's time to start working on the interior of the book. Let's go back to page 1. For creating the contents of the book, simply head over to ChatGPT and write this prompt. Give me 33 pages ideas in form of prompts to generate the drawings for my coloring book. Stress relief adult coloring book with animals, landscapes, flowers, mushrooms. ChatGPT will give you 33 prompts according to your needs. Now just copy the first prompt and head over to this secret AI I've been talking about. It is icoloring.ai. When you sign up, it'll give you 30 daily free credits. Now click Text to Coloring page. Paste the prompt here. Select the style you want. For this video, I'm going with anime style. Select the square dimension because you are making a square book. Now hit Generate, and boom! Within 10 seconds, you have your image. I'll generate the rest off camera to save time. All right, 33 images done. Before adding images to the pages, I'm going to make the border on every drawing page. Insert a square from the Elements tab. Reduce its size while also holding the Shift key for uniformity. Place this square into the corner near the margin. Duplicate it 3 times and place these squares in the remaining corners. Now go to Elements and add a line. Set the stroke of the line to 2 and simply stretch it and place it here, connecting these squares. Do the same to join the rest of the border. Now the border is created. We want to add this to every drawing page. Select all the lines, copy them, and simply paste them on all drawing pages by scrolling. Now the last thing, add the image of the drawing. Make sure each one is on an odd numbered page. Why? Because page 1 is always printed on the right side of the book. Even numbered pages go on the left. If you put your first image on page 2, it'll print left aligned. Doesn't look good. So when you're done with all images, go to Share, Download, select File Type, PDF Print, and now hit Download, For the cover image, we'll use ChatGPT for some ideas. Write this prompt in ChatGPT. For book, stress relief adult coloring book, with animals, landscapes, flowers, mushrooms, give me a prompt to generate a colorful cover without text. It'll give you some great prompts. Just copy one, and now head over to Magic Media in Canva to generate the images. Choose from either concept art or anime style. Both are great for vibrant, eye-catching covers. Paste the prompt you copied from ChatGPT. I'll be selecting anime style for this. Set the aspect ratio to square before generating and hit Enter. Let it generate some pictures. Now pick the best one and place it on the right side of the cover. That's the front. Stretch to fit, but stay within the bleed margins, and make sure it doesn't cross the bleed line. Now we're going to add the title. Add a text box and write Adult Coloring Book. Select a nice font that suits your book's vibe. I'm going with Chewy. Now increase the size of the text according to your layout and place it over the front cover. To be safe while positioning the text, I've set the image transparency to 50%. That way, I can clearly see the bleed lines and make sure the title doesn't cross them. Now set the colors that fit your book best, something that pops but still feels calming. You can also add a subtitle to make it even more appealing. For the back cover, I'm keeping it simple. I'll just put a solid color background. You can add more elements if you want. Just don't place anything over the barcode area. And that's it. We're done making the cover. Now, simply hit download. Now comes our final step, publishing your book. Head back to Amazon KDP and hit Create Paperback. For the title and subtitle, you can either write your own or ask ChatGPT for help. I'll be using ChatGPT. For the author name, use your real name or a pen name. I'll use Erviak Coloring. Now write your book description. Again, you can write it yourself or get a little help from ChatGPT. Just make sure it feels personal and not something you just blindly copy-pasted. Check the box that says, I own the copyright. Set the reading age to 8 to 18 plus. Set categories to crafts, hobbies, and home. In the subcategory, choose Coloring Books for Grown-ups. Then select Animals, Flowers, and Landscapes, Mandalas, and Pattern. Now for keywords, these are super important. They help Amazon rank your book in search results. Make sure to write them according to your book's theme. Here's what I'm writing. Stress Relief Coloring Book for Adults. Nature Coloring Book for Adults. And the rest you can fill in based on your own book's content. Now scroll down and press Save and Continue. Click on Assign ISBN, and KDP will automatically assign you a free ISBN. You'll see it appear. For ink and paper types, select black and white interior with white paper. For trim size, select 8.5 by 8.5 inches. For paperback cover finish, choose whichever you prefer. Both matte and glossy are fine. Upload your manuscript interior and your cover file. It'll take a few seconds to process. Just wait a bit and you'll see it appear. Now, for the AI question, select Yes. Amazon isn't blocking AI content. It just wants to take a survey on how much of your book is AI generated. So don't lie here, just be honest. For text, select None. For images, select Many images with minimal editing, and mention the AIs you used, icoloring.ai, Magic Media, and ChatGPT. Launch the previewer and carefully check all your pages. Make sure the images are aligned and on the correct, odd-numbered pages. Once everything looks good, click Approve. Then save and continue. Now set your pricing. If you're a beginner, start at $6.99. You can raise it later once you start getting some reviews. Now click Publish your paperback book. Boom! Your AI coloring book is live. Now just wait for Amazon to review it. Usually takes 1 to 2 days, maximum 3 days. One last tip. Be careful and take your time filling out the keywords. They're the #1 factor in how well your book ranks on Amazon. If you want, I can make a detailed video on how to write the best keywords to rank your book higher. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.